We have a new brushing station here, moving it from the bed and over here, so we can brush the nozzle when changing filaments as well, because yeah, having it on the bed, we don't reach it after some layers. So let's home it and see if it goes clear. This is the first prototype. Don't mind the wiring, it's work in progress. See if this goes clear here, because it was very tight. Yeah. But the tabs has to be inside the edge of the bed. So yeah, that's one issue to overcome. I mean, I don't mind, but it would be nice to have the tabs outside. So I guess there's a compromise with everything, because yeah, the nozzle needs to reach the brush. I don't have a macro for that yet, but I'm gonna make a macro so we can test it. So just leveling the bed. Just 3 rounds. Then a final homing. So now we are outside the bed with the nozzle. So we can reach the brush over here, and we should be able to reach the brush over there. So let's go. Let's travel over. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe. So. Yeah. So now we are at. Let me see what we are at. We are at 305 on the x-axis. So I have a dowel here, which is kind of a little bit too long, so it interferes a little bit. But anyway, now we are actually way outside the nozzle. No, I mean way outside the brush. So we don't have to travel that far. So this would be, so 295 on the X, then we clear the brush. So that can be our end point. I think we can even go to 390 probably would be enough. There's also the upper arm on the door also needs to go clear of the cover when the cover comes on. So, but I think we're good over here. So let me just see. Let me see. Door. Looks like we're good over here. The brushes may be a little bit too high. Yeah, let's figure this out and do a final version. Okay, see you.